Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is word and even number part 2. My dear students, today is our lecture number 12 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 12 also. So, my dear student, let us start our class. In our class, we shall solve one problem as your CW and another problem will be your SW. So, before starting our class, my dear students, at first we know what are the even number and what are the odd number from 0 to 9. So, write first odd and even. In our first lecture, we have already learned what are the odd and what are the even numbers in details, but here we shall recall them. What are the odd number from 0 to 9? The odd number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And what are the even number from 0 to 9? They are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, you must memorize this. That means odd number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and even number are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, in order to check a number if the number is even or if the number is odd, so we must notice the ones place number. If ones place number is even, then that total number is even. If ones place number is odd, then that total number is odd. So, let us solve a example. Suppose 1532 and another number is 1970. So, my dear student, we need to check which number is odd and which number is even. Here you notice ones place number is 2 and 2 is the notation of even number. So, we can take a decision that the total number is even number. As 2 is even number, so the total number is even number. So, we can say 1532 is even number. Okay, this is even number. Okay, done. And our next number is 1970. Here last number is 0 and 0 is the notation of odd number or even number? Even number. So, we say the total number is even. That means 1970 is even number. I hope you have understood. Okay. So, even number is done. Next we shall learn how to check odd number. 1533, 1999. My dear student, notice here 1533 and last digit, that means ones place number is 3, and here 1999, here last digit, that means ones place number is 9. So, 3 and 9 both are the notation of odd number. Notice 3 is odd number and 9 is odd number also. So, we can take decision that 1533 is odd number and 1999 is also odd number. I hope you have understood. Now, we shall write the odd and even numbers. At first, we read the question. Find out odd and even numbers of the following number. That means some numbers are given. They are 1350, 1837, 1621, 1972, 1033, 1528, 2000, 1991, 1539, 1448. So, 10 number are given. My dear student, from this 10 number, we shall find which number are odd and which number are even. So, let us start how to write our answer. At first, you write answer, then you draw a box just like this. We divide this box into two parts. Then we give a line. After that, in this section we write odd number, and in this section you write even number. My dear student, in box we write odd number and in that box we write even number. So let us check which number are odd and which number are even. Here the first number is 1350. We need not check the other places number, we check only the ones place number. Here ones place number is 0, ones place number is 0. As it is ones place is 0, so we can take decision that as ones place is 0 and 0 is the notation of even number. So we can say the total number is even. That means 1350 is even number. So we write this even number in the even number box, 1350. I hope you have understood. Next, my dear student, we shall learn which 1837 is odd number or even number. Notice here ones place digit is 7 and 7 is the notation of odd number. As 7 is odd number, so we can say the total number, that means 1837 is odd number, and we write this in the odd number box. Okay, this one is done, 1837. And our next number is 1621. We notice only its ones place digit, that means ones place number. It is 1. 1 is the notation of odd number. So we can say the total number, that means 1621 is odd number. And as it is odd number, we write in even number section or in odd number section. We must write it in the odd number section. That means 1621 is odd number, and this is done. Next we shall solve our fourth number, which is 1972. We check only its ones place digit, that means ones place number, and 2 is the notation of even or odd. 2 is the notation of even number. So we can say 1972 is even number, and we write this into even number box, that means 1972. So this one is done. Next we shall check our next number, 1033. My dear student, 1033, we check only its ones place digit. It is 3, and 3 is the notation of odd number. As 3 is odd number, so we can say 1033 is odd number, and we write it in the odd number box. So 1033, and this is done. Next we shall go to our next number, and it is 1528. My dear students, and we check only its one place number. It is 8, and 8 is the notation of even number, and as 8 is even number, so we say 1528 is even number. So 1528 is written in the even number box. So this is done, and our next number is 2000. We check only its ones place number, and it is 0. As 0 is the notation of even number, so we can say 2000 is even number, and we write this in the even number box. I hope you have understood. And we shall check our next number, 1991, and we check only its ones place digit. It is 1, and it is the notation of odd number. As 1 is odd number, so we can say 1991 is odd number. So we write 1991. So this one is done, and our next number is 1539. We check only its ones place number or digit. Here ones place number is 9, as 9 is the notation of odd number, so we say 1539 is odd number, and we write in the odd number box. So 1539. Okay, this one is done, and we shall check our next number, 1448. It is the last number, and its ones place digit is 8, and 8 is the notation of even number. As 8 is even number, so we can say 1448 is even number. So 1448 48 is even number. So our answer is done. Next we shall check our answer is right or wrong. This is odd number, so its ones place number must be odd number. Here 7, 1, 3, 1, 9, all the notation are odd numbers. So this one is correct, that means odd number is correct. And we shall check our even number, that means we check only its ones place number. Here 0, 2, 8, 0, 8. So all the notation are even number. So this one is also correct. My dear students, here we shall check one by one number, but you can separate only odd number. That means at first we separate only odd numbers, after that you separate even numbers, and which one is better for you, you can know. So you can use any method. Okay, I hope you have understood. That means if you want at first I find out even number, then you can, or if you can at first I find odd number, then you can. But if you also can, if you also want, you can find out odd and even number at a glance, then you can also. So my dear students, this is your choice, and this is your CW. This is your CW. Okay, my dear students, and next number D will be your SW. Number D will be your SW, and SW number 12. The numbers, the question is find out odd and even numbers of the following numbers. Okay, they are 1000, 1779, 1590, 1927, 1288, 1996, 1771, 1482, 1615, 1555. So my dear students, at first you write answer. After that you draw a box just like this. You divide into two parts. In one part you write odd number, and another part you write even number. You separate the odd number from the 10 numbers and write it in the odd number box. You separate the even number from the 10 numbers and write it in the even number box. I hope you have understood. This is your SW. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your parents or any other person. My dear student, your SW carry 2 marks. And don't neglect your SW. You must submit your SW in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. And 4 pm you check, you collect your SW after completing your checking. So my dear students, please do your assign SW. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum. Thank you.